Hey guys, Jessica here from Abracadabra Refurbished. Today I am going to share with you how we are updating our yard. We have been in this home now for about 3 years, and we finally were able to put up a new fence on both sides of the yard, but the back of the fence was still really old and grungy, so I decided to paint it white. And then I grabbed my Wise Owl Foxtrot in 1 hour enamel and my JRV stencils, and I started stenciling away. Here I was using some regular CSP Wise Owl chalk paint to add more flowers and details and whatnot, but I did add in the matte top coat. I just mixed it half and half with the CSP so that it would make the paint a little bit stronger, so it will hold up to the weather and the sun. So, in addition to painting the back of the fence white and also, around the pool, I made some yard signs. I made some welcome signs and some yard signs, and I hung them up around in different places of the yard, mostly on the newer fence and a little garden area by the swing. I used more JRV stencils and the iodtransfers and some iod stamps. Thanks so much for watching. And if you are interested in any of the paint, JRV stencils, or the iod products that I used here in this video today, you can head over to my website, www.abracadabrarefurbished.com, and pick yourself up some. So with that, I'll just say thanks for watching again, and I hope you all have an Abracadabra Refurbished day.